But yeah, I'll see you guys in a little while. Me Julsz, what he do, what he do, what he do, what he woo. This double chin got to go. My God, oh my Jesus, that ain't cute, not at all. So I'm taking mother on night shopping because she don't like all this. Mom!
Why are you walking with that big book in the night?
Thank you.
I did ask you where you're going with this big
I got my shopping list in my big book.
The shopping list, no,
I don't want it because the book is organized. Don't you dare.
About £15. Serious to God, you know when you buy this book, you're going with this book in the night.
I don't know why you hating.
So you end up with the book now.
No, I'm gonna take it back because that's why I bought my bag, a little side bag to put my stuff in. But I'm just vlogging, so you have to be careful. You gotta wait.
You need to be careful and wait.
You just gotta wait, girl. Ways, people. You know how mums can be. So I'm gonna take my book from her and put it in my bag because it's my things. Them, understand? Hopefully the battery lasts. Hold this. Hopefully the battery lasts.
People, when you go to shopping, do you go with a shopping book or a shopping list? Please let me know.
It does not matter what people go shopping with. I'm carrying my book in it. I haven't got a pen. I'm well prepared.
No, sir. If I laugh, I weep. Look at the bag, please.
What is the problem? There is no problem.
Tonight is very warm, people. As we wait on our Benz to come, and we look at people going to and fro.
Benz? You mean the bloody public transport?
Don't do that. It's a Benz.
I mean, it is made
It is a Benz. Of course, so why not call it by its name?
No,
it's Benz.
You're waiting for the guys waiting for the bus. No. Yes, we're waiting for the bus.
I'm waiting for my Benz.
There's no
my rightfully own Queen's Benz.
Let me just I didn't even introduce this vlog properly. Oh my God. Welcome to my channel. It's called Julsztymm. You know, over here we have a good time all the time, baby. And if you're not subscribed, then what you doing? Please go ahead and subscribe. I'm not even in focus, but who cares? And go over to Prestige J's channel and subscribe and all of that good stuff. All that good stuff there, you know. And before anyone bashes me, yes, I have my mask. It's in my bag. Yeah. See you later.
6 hours later.
Me Julsz, I can't even begin to tell y'all what took place tonight. Someone had an allergic reaction. Don't you dare scratch your skin with that, Mom. No. Oh, Tussie.
You can buy the next one, babes. Babes, if you understand the struggles, you would know, babes.
Tell them what you went through. What did you go through today?
I didn't go through nothing. I was just.
Someone thought they were brave, you know? Yeah? We will convene tomorrow. I'll tell you all about it tomorrow. Because I didn't even show you lots of the vlogging, like the shopping, or it was just too mad. So you know what, guys? I love you. I'll speak to you tomorrow. I'll tell you all about it tomorrow, guys, because right now I need to process what just took place. So until next time, my Julsz, bye bye.